This is the Setúbal Industrial Complex, the place where gKRAFT paper is produced. With gKRAFT, innovation, sustainability, and excellence blend to redefine the future of packaging. The cutting-edge technology, combined with the unique properties of eucalyptus globulus fibers, deliver high-performance packaging papers tailored to meet the most demanding market needs.
Here at Setúbal Mill, every step of the process has been carefully optimized to ensure an exceptional quality and functionality of gKRAFT papers. From sheet formation to the final finish, we focus on creating paper that combines strength, smoothness, and outstanding printing performance. The transition to packaging papers has been an exciting journey. Our biggest challenge included upgrading existing equipment while optimizing the fiber processing and perfecting the paper resistance. Using eucalyptus globulus in the production and benefiting from the company's knowledge on this raw material is a great advantage for us. It makes the adaptation process easier, delivering an exceptional result.
The process begins with the fiber's preparation, refined to achieve the perfect consistency.
The sheet formation is a critical step of the process. The pulp suspension is carefully distributed to ensure uniform structure, giving the paper a high resistance and an excellent converting performance. The following stages are pressing and drying, after which the moisture level of the sheet varies between 5 to 8%.
It's on the finishing stage that gKRAFT paper receives a surface treatment that enhances its strength and ensures a smoother texture, making it ideal for high-quality printing.
gKRAFT paper is designed to meet the demands of any modern converting equipment. The production process is meticulously programmed to provide a high-quality product with a high mechanical resistance and ready for vivid, high-definition prints. In addition, its virgin fibers ensure safety and hygiene for food contact.
Whether it's food packaging, shopping bags, or industrial applications, gKRAFT paper combines sustainability with functionality, providing a wide range of solutions.
Our daily work has one big goal: to drive the shift from plastic to natural fibers, aligning with the growing global demand for biodegradable and recyclable materials. From fiber preparation to the final reel of paper, gKRAFT is engineered for precision and sustainability. It's really rewarding to be involved in the development of projects that are shaping the future of sustainable packaging. I'm very proud of gKRAFT for leading this transition.
gKRAFT is here to lead the change. From fossil to forest, rooting for our planet.